I do. Okay. Well, one of the most important things that for the keyword research process is I personally use Ahrefs, but I know that that's not critical. So don't believe that you have to do that because I'm using it. I just like having a massive amount of data, which leads me to my next tool to do. I automate the all in title process. So I use a inexpensive tool from a guy site, American guy site named Scrapers and Bots, and it'll actually at this point it'll actually do the autocomplete scraping, but most of the time I just scrape all in title values and I export them, and I have my huge keyword list, and I put those together, and it helps me go through a ton of keywords in a short amount of time rather than manually having to do it. Of course, I mentioned the image editor I use is paint.net, and it's free. And I got a free plugin that helps me do more features that it was originally missing. And that it's actually pretty good for to be free. It really is once you get the hang of it. Google Drawings I use sometimes. That's helped me for a lot of my stuff needs diagrams, and people love that stuff. And don't use MS Paint or something like that. Don't half-ass it. You can do great stuff in a free tool like Google Drawings. You can do other stuff too. It doesn't have to be technical stuff. That's helped me a lot because now I can copy them, tweak it, and then use a new version in another post and save myself that work and time.
Do you write directly into WordPress or do you write somewhere else?
Yeah, personally, I'm still writing directly into WordPress.